Hi guys, and welcome back to our vlog.
Kita matay. It's a beautiful day.
Ito nga daw ang pinakamalaki nilang branch. Or main branch. Ilang story din ang building na ito. Contrary sa advertising nila, off-limits naman ang upper floors nila for customers. Actually, one reason we went here and we're from Cavite. Akala namin marami silang other items or something special to visit about this branch. Well, aside from this mini free library nila, that's it.
Maganda yan.
Pero, maganda naman talaga ang store nila na ito.
Yun o.
Pero mas gaganda pa sana ito kung may coffee shop, no? At ma-maximize sila ang upper floors, di ba? Since everyone loves a picturesque location. Di ba? Aesthetic and cute venues. But then again, that's just me. And here's what the main store looks like inside. Yung mga items nila dito is same things they sell on their other branches. At dito nga namili si Glenn ng kanyang mga 4 Christmas gifts.
Okay, iba-iba. Per letter, iba-iba.
Magkano? Walang presyo. Baka pang pusa talaga yun. May ano pusa? May ibon.
Thanks for watching!